How to fix Walmart login error. So, first of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try signing in again. Next, you can simply check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on Forgot Password button and then follow the on-screen instruction to reset it. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for Walmart and then check for update. Make sure it is updated to its latest version. And once that's done, you have to first close the application and then reopen the app again. If the problem continues, you can clear the app cache on Android, and if you are on your iPhone, you can try uninstalling the application. You can even try logging in through the Walmart website to see if the issue is limited to the app. If you're still unable to sign in, Walmart may be experiencing a temporary server issue, or there may be a problem with your account. In that case, contact Walmart customer support for assistance. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.